Hello everyone. Today I bring to you a very important topic. You need to listen to this. Blood coughing, hemoptysis. A lot of people think when you wake up in the morning or someone just vomited blood and died, it's as a result of food poisoning or drink poisoning. Today I tell you no. I bring to you a very powerful topic here, hemoptysis, blood coughing. Hemoptysis is a case where you cough out blood from the lungs. It is caused by several diseases or even cancer of the lungs. In case of little blood, when you notice little blood, I repeat, when you notice little blood after waking up in the morning, please call your doctor. But when the case of heavy blood, you need an urgent ambulance, because sometimes it may be also caused due to several problems or airways of the lungs. The amount of blood varies. In case of little blood mixed with spit, that meaning if you are spitting little blood, this is common. Sometimes it might be as a result of blood mixed with sputum, which means spit. Each time you cough, other symptoms occurs at the same time, like coughing up blood. It might be cough, chest pain, or soft breathlessness, fever, high fever also can also cause it. Or maybe when you are feeling unwell, you can also cough little blood. That is minimal compared to when you are coughing blood in a big way. A little study on the lungs shows the two lungs are found on the chest, on the right side and on the left side. They are separated by the heart, which lies in between them and make breath enter through the nose. Today, we shall be talking about the causes of hemoptysis. 1. Infection. Infection of the airways is called acute bronchitis, and the infection of the lungs called pneumonia. These two are most commonly causes of blood coughing. Tuberculosis. This is infection of the lungs. Tuberculosis can also cause blood coughing. Cancer. Most lung cancers arise from the cells which line the bronchitis. This can also cause blood coughing. Injury trauma. Maybe there are some objects you inhaled or objects you swallowed. That also can cause blood coughing. Pulmonary embolism. This is a serious, potential life-threatening case when you start having pulmonary embolism. This is due to a blockage in the blood vessel of the lungs. The symptoms are always chest pain, breathlessness. You will notice you are not even breathing normal. This can make hemoptysis come easily. Heart and blood vessel. Severe cases like heart failure can also cause hemoptysis. It will make you start spitting blood. The last one is inflammation or abnormal tissue deposit. When you notice the condition whereby the inflammation is abnormal, you can also have hemoptysis. We have natural treatment for hemoptysis a lot. You can use antibiotics for those suffering pneumonia, chemotherapy or radiation for those suffering from lung cancer, steroids also for those suffering inflammatory disorders. But a lot of herbal therapy too can help you. But when you notice, once again, as I said earlier, when you notice any little blood coming out from your mouth, call your doctor. But when the blood is heavy, you need an ambulance. That means you need to be at the hospital as fast as you could. Thank you. My name is Dr. Oduwole Kenny. You can contact me on 070-866-55316, 091-3549-8337. Thank you so much. Share, like, comment, please.